Okay, we're back. I washed my hair with the coconut milk shampoo as well as the coconut milk conditioner, which is in now. I also added some Totally Twisted. I'm not sure how I feel about the coconut milk products. I feel like the conditioner for me is not quite heavy enough, so I added in the Totally Twisted to help with that. But this is my texture with product in it. My hair really shrinks up a lot. It's really easy to comb through though. I don't have a problem with combing through my hair and detangling as of yet. Maybe once I get more length that will be more of a concern. But as of right now, I don't have an issue with detangling and combing through my hair. I don't really have to hold it at the ends and do all that. I can just smooth the comb through. Really no issues there, but we'll see. So that's my hair. I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. Just wanted to show you my hair with the conditioner in it. And I rinse it really quick while my camera lady, Nia, has you guys hanging out. And I'll come right back, show you a quick shot.